Hey guys, so a while ago, a good friend of mine at Neil's CNC down in Hayward, California, named Gerard, who I met through Pinzgauers. He bought a Pinzgauer, saw the SARPINZ. Over the years, we had lots of conversations, chats. Never actually met in person. So he mentioned at one point that he had some extra wood and was making some signs, and I said, hey, it'd be cool to have a SARPINZ sign that kind of uses the logo and stuff. And he's like, I have just the idea, I'm gonna knock your socks off. I'm like, okay. Next thing I know, this thing shows up, and it's been sitting in my office for like 3 weeks. And I wanted to wait and do an unboxing video because I thought it would be cool to kind of all experience it together. And all I can say is, if we just look at the box itself, that I'm pretty sure he made the box also. So if the box is this cool, I can't wait to see what's inside. So I apologize for your craftsmanship, Neil, as I try to pry this thing open and make a mess. But I am too excited to see what this thing looks like. Oh, there we already made a mess right there. Get it under here. Almost there. Video number one, rule number one, never turn your back to the camera, which I just did multiple times. This is not my expertise, not my forte. All right, here we go. Come on in, let's see what we got. This side, I have some dowel, cardboard here. Oh, I think these are lettering. Check this out. There's the A. Oh, this is cool. There's an I, dowel. So I'm definitely gonna have to do a little assembly to get this put together. Z. These are nice. This side up. Oh, there you go. There's a P. Another R. There's the N. That means this will be the S. And this says SARPINZ. Wow, this is cool, Neil. Dang, dude. So let's set these down here. So let's do the side of them. And here is the magic. Wow. Okay, I don't know what those are. I may be giving you a call. This says left. I got a sliver, so there you go. Well, we'll set those aside for the moment. It'll become obvious. Another sheet. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, dude. You see this? That is absolutely insane. Neil, man, you have outdone yourself. That's all inlay. Check that out. I did the trees in the background and the mountains. That is unfrickin' believable. Mounting bar on the back here for wall mounting. I am guessing that what will happen is this is where SARPINZ goes, and I wonder if this floats underneath. Because it looks like these are machined to fit together here, like this. So I'm guessing the SARPINZ lays out here. And then we'll go on the wall behind it. I don't know, man. This is freaking cool. Neil, thanks, man. I will do some assembly and come back and show you where we end up.